You recording, yeah? Right, welcome to an update of the Capri. Came around last night to have a look how bad the rust is actually on the Capri. It's really bad. Like, really bad. It was actually quite dark when they actually came round. So the video footage of me actually taking the rot out of it ain't actually the best. As you can actually see, all the way up the wing lip, the amount of corrosion that she actually does have. This wing is pretty much disconnected. There's that much corrosion on the vehicle. It may have even bent a little bit. It's literally in and out of sills. It's the floor, it's the bulkhead, it's the chassis rails, the arches, the roof. It's literally everywhere. I mean, this is just a fraction of the rot that I picked up last night. Literally a fraction, a lot of it's still on the floor. It's literally, you need arches, rear quarter panels at the bottom, rear chassis legs, floor. What I'm going to do in a minute is actually jack it up and actually show you properly without it being too dark. Just pull the carpet up so you can actually see the actual floor. If you want to get a view in on there, the floor all the way up to the bulkhead is gone. The inner sill is pretty much non-existent. The door posts, the bottom of the A posts, the scuttle panel, the doors are shut. There's no repairing them. There's so much corrosion around the back of the rear quarter panel, all the way down. This is the actual sponge, like expanding foam that they actually put in the rear quarter panel. So it needs 2 new rear quarter panels, rear valance, boot floor, chassis rails. Just give you a quick look of the boot floor. I'm going to pull everything out, just to give you just a quick look. That's what's left of the boot floor. That's the actual petrol tank. You can actually see the chassis rails in the corners. That's the actual chassis rail. Where it goes to the wheel tubs is all gone. I'm wondering if it's had a new rear balance at some point, but it's black. Yeah, it's black instead of colour coded. So it's had some work done in the past because we've established it's had 2 new rear wings, 2 front wings and front panel. And we have had it running, so it's not seized. Runs actually beautiful. No blue smoke, no nothing. Pearls. So I will be putting that video in with this video of where we got it running. You can actually see. But if you want to actually look at this door and this A post, where it's actually completely gone in the corner. You actually see that A post moving. The same just here. It's actually corroded, and you can actually see the rear quarter moving. It's actually disconnected from the actual sill. The inner arch is actually gone. Do you want to jack it up so you can see underneath?
Can do.
Right, yeah, welcome back. Jack the vehicle up, as you can actually see. Me personally, I don't think it's actually that bad, because we're jacking it up, it's not bending in half, so there's a plus. Even though there is a lot of corrosion, a lot of it is just common places for a Capri. We'll take you underneath in a second so you can actually have a look, but like I say, most of it's just common places, and it's just going to be a lot of work. I'm doing this video because after seeing the corrosion everywhere, it's on the outside of the body and underneath, I need people's opinion whether they want to actually see this vehicle be restored or take the route that people keep giving me and just reshell it. I'd like to restore it, but if I do go down the route of restoring it, then it's not going to be restored now, because don't forget, it's a 40-odd-year-old vehicle and the parts are going to be really hard to get, and it's not just getting the bits, they're going to be expensive as well. So basically I need people's opinions if they want to see this vehicle be restored or just see it reshelled. Either way, leave a comment, a like, hit the notification bell as well, and just give me your point of view on what you'd like to see. So let's take you around it and have a look at the chassis rails now. Do you want to lie down there, or do you want me to do it? Do you want to put that down? No. As you can actually see, the floor's gone. The back of the rear chassis rail here is gone, just here, although the part where the leaf spring actually bolts, that does look quite solid. I've not actually poked at that yet, but it does look quite solid. Like I said, floor pans, the front chassis rails are absolutely solid.
Yeah, it's weird, they are.
Really solid.
See the floor's moving here, but all that.
Don't go under too far, because they jack to it.
It's scabby there, but like I say, both sides look absolutely solid. All the centre's fine, it's just the edges.
It's definitely going to need inner and outer seals, definitely. Because as you've seen from the US side, they're absolutely shot. Work, but it's relatively solid. It's got a little hole here, a little hole on the strut top. It actually looks like it's just a strut top. It's not. I've digged at it. It's not actually gone through. Small hole in the corner. Yet again, commonplace for a Capri. Same just here. Commonplace when it's got the reinforcement on the back side of the inner wing. But yet the top of the bulkhead, all across, it looks all solid. All the common places where it really goes in the corner are solid.
It's just dirt, isn't it?
It is just dirt. All the front of the inner wings, where you have the reinforcement, yet again, all common places where they absolutely rot. But this is literally just a little scab. You just want to zoom in. Just there, just a little scab. And it's the same as this side, if I remember correctly. Yet again, front valance will be getting taken off. It's had a replacement front valance, slam panel and wings. We can tell because the slam panel is literally just black primer. So I'm going to take you under the rear now and have a look at the chassis rails. Good part is the bonnet. It's absolutely solid. No rot at all. All the common places where they would absolutely rot underneath, all it's got is just a little bit of surface rust on the edges, but it's literally surface rust. This arch actually looks really solid. Even the bottom of this rear quarter, solid. but it's the inner arch that's gone. The wheel tubs actually look relatively good.
Turn that around. Got your face in it.
Can you actually see it? Yeah. Just bring you underneath now so you can have a look at the chassis rails. Chassis rail just here is gone, but from their back is good. Yeah, again, this is just having just a look. Obviously, I'm aware that it might get worse once you actually start digging further into it. First thing people are going to say, it's not a 3 litre gear because it's not got gear interior. I'm aware of that. Obviously, someone's changed it in the past.
You've got a nice set sitting around somewhere, haven't you?
Yeah, nice beige set. Got really cheap off someone I know. So that may even be going in it at some point. Here comes Johnny. The A-posts are solid, going up. Like I said, there is still a good amount of strength in the car because it's jacked up, it's not bending, we're sitting in it, it's not going through, so it ain't that bad. It's just the amount of work it's going to take to get it finished. It's only done 67,304 miles. Oh wait, I might even be reading that wrong. That might even be 6,734 miles. I might be reading that wrong. It's got an uncut dash. How rare is that to find? Another thing that I did notice is a 2.8, well, V6, I'll say, reinforcement in the corner. Everyone knows it goes down the inner wing. That is absolutely gone. Same as this chassis leg at the front, just there. All this V6 reinforcement at the top, that's all gone. That's rotted away. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here, but let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me do with this car, whether you want it restored or reshelled. Either way, it will be going on the road again. But I just need to know on your opinion, because I'm in mixed minds at the minute and I've seen the amount of rust everywhere on the vehicle. So we'll end the video here and give it a thumbs up, a like, and a comment. Hit that notification bell to be kept up with the up-to-date information on this vehicle. And see you later. as it starts getting a bit warm, I notice the idle does like get better. You can hear it anyway.